All day, we're focusing on mental health awareness and how to share the struggle.
Members of a well-known Utah family are speaking out to help others. New Specialist Heather Simonsen shows us how 4 generations have fought depression.
Lester G. Olson, born in Salt Lake, down on West Temple.
Les Olson started his company in 1956. The 3rd generation now runs the business, a heritage of success.
This is really true, I can tell.
Yep, that's what it's about.
But there's another legacy.
I've watched it go from my generation to our children to our grandchildren.
His father couldn't stop grieving after his mother passed away.
It even took him to his knees.
Now, some of his children and grandchildren struggle with depression.
You can't just tell it to go away. It's real, and there's no magic bullet for it. You feel helpless.
In last year in Utah, the #1 killer of kids 10 to 17 was suicide.
Experts at LDS hospitals say if a family member withdraws and wants to be alone, take note.
Increasingly hard to do normal daily functions, getting out of bed, showering, feeling happy about much of anything.
Talking to them about what they're feeling is key.
You don't have to have a perfect conversation. If it's clumsy, it's okay. But breaching the topic is very important. You don't have to have something teed up, just talk.
Depression is treatable, so having hope is important. Jim says they're managing it well and enjoying time together, especially with the grandchildren.
And they all know where the candy cupboard is. And
He says if you're struggling, you're not alone.
just about every family you meet has someone.
I was either the luckiest guy in the world or people had faith in me.
Don't be afraid to start the conversation. Heather Simonsen, KSL 5 News.
Doctors say a combination of therapy and medication works when treating depression. For more tips on how to start that conversation, visit ldshospital.org. Share the struggle.
Kevin is